In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover your old deleted YouTube channel in 2023. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So if you have deleted your YouTube channel permanently and now you want to recover it, then what you have to do is to open your internet browser, and in the search bar you need to type youtube.com/support and click on search. Now click on these three horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screens. Then scroll down and click on submit a feedback. Click on next. Okay, now in this box you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. You have to write down that you deleted your YouTube channel permanently and now you want to recover it. At the end, also mention the email address that was linked with your YouTube channel. Once you have done that, click on the send option. And after you click on send, within the next 24 hours, your permanently deleted YouTube channel will be restored. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.